Hello.
Yes, hello, good evening, Mr. Iwan. How are you?
Good, good evening, sir. I am great, sir.
Okay, nice to see you again, Mr. Iwan, in the class. And
Okay.
also, Mr. Saulus. Hello, how are you, Mr. Saulus?
Oh, tadi call
Actually,
package sih.
yes, has the connections problem, bro. Okay, so
Tutup call bank.
yeah, we'll discuss about this actually, Mr. Iwan, for this evening. Yeah, this evening we will discuss again about the trending news. Yeah. Actually, our schedules about yes trending topics. Yeah, this is our schedules, and sometime we will discuss about catch up in listening lesson and English speaking session. Okay, so for this evening, we will have to discuss about this. Yeah, actually, last night, yeah, we should discuss about this, yeah, but because you didn't join last night, Mr. Iwan, so we discuss again about this.
Okay.
Yes, this is the Navy divers continue searching for crash Sriwijaya second black box. Okay. Yes, hello, good evening. Are you Ardila? How are you?
Good evening. I'm fine, thank you. I'm sorry yesterday because my phone has low battery.
Okay, no problem. No problem. Okay, so for this evening we will discuss again about this. Okay. So Mr. Ikhwan, can you please read the title, please, Mr. Ikhwan?
Okay.
Yes.
Navy divers continue searching for crash Sriwijaya second black box.
Okay. So do you understand about the title, Mr. Ikhwan?
Yes. The Navy continue to searching after the apa
Yes.
phone
Crash. Yeah.
after that phone face black box, yeah.
Okay. Yes.
Yes.
Excellent. After found the first black box. Okay. Flight
Yes.
data recorder. Yeah, black box.
Flight data recorded.
Yes. Excellent. Okay. So now searching for the cockpit data recorders. Yeah.
Cockpit.
Yes.
Cockpit, sir.
Cockpit data recorders.
Cockpit data recorded.
Yes. Okay. So this news was trending yesterday, Mr. Idwan. Yeah. It was trending Wednesday, January 13, 2021 at 11:40 a.m. Yeah. So it was yesterday. Okay.
Yesterday.
So yeah, you can see in this picture, Mr. Ikhwan, yeah,
Yes.
that Indonesian Navy divers yeah, hauled wreckage from Sriwijaya Airflex. Yeah, wreckage, the meaning is, sorry,
Fish.
uh, yeah, the
Fish.
piece, yes, the piece, yeah, that's the wreckage from Sriwijaya Airflex. Yeah. During a search and rescue operation at sea near Lancang Island on January 10, 2021, after the Boeing 737-500 crashed shortly after taking off from Jakarta Airport on January 9. Okay, so yeah, I need you again, Mr. Ikhwan, to read the first
Okay.
paragraph, please, Mr. Ikhwan.
Yeah.
Yes.
Investigators said Wednesday they were hopeful of retrieving a crashed passenger jet's second black box as
Yes.
they seek to explain why the plane with 62 people aboard slammed slammed into the sea minutes after takeoff.
Yes, excellent. Okay. This is the investigators. Yeah, investigators said on Wednesday they were hopefully, yeah, of retrieving. Retrieving, the meaning is gathering, yeah, mengumpulkan, yeah, or collecting. This is retrieving, the meaning is collecting. A crash, yeah, passenger jet second black box. Yeah, as they seek to explain why the plane with 62 people aboard slams. Yeah, slam is terbanting, yeah, into the sea minutes after takeoff. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, this is why the investigator, yeah, still searching for the cockpit data recorders, yeah, because they wants to know, yeah, they wants to know why the plane, yeah, with 62 people aboard, yeah,
Yeah,
slam into
slam,
the sea. Yes, slams, yeah, into the sea.
think slam.
Yes. Okay. So Ayu Ardila, please read the second paragraph. Ayu Ardila.
Drive differs just off a coast of the capital Jakarta hold the jet's flight data recorder to the surface Tuesday with a unknown focus the finding is cockpit voice recorder the Waker later seabed.
Okay, thank you, Ayu
Yeah,
Ardila.
but I don't understand this vocabulary.
Okay, so later on I will explain. Okay, Mr. Ikhwan. So, do you understand actually what the second paragraph purpose? Do you understand, Mr.
Therefore,
Ikhwan?
the so precaution.
Yes. Okay, I will.
The, yeah,
Yeah, I will explain a little bit. Yes, this is
okay.
diverse. Yeah. So it's diverse. Yeah. Do you know diverse, Mr. Ikhwan? Diverse.
Yes, divers penyelam, penyelam.
Yes, excellent. Just off the coast of of the capital Jakarta. Yeah, howlet. Yeah, mengangkut.
Just
Yeah, howlet. The meaning is mengangkut. Yeah. Okay. So the divers. Yeah. Just off the coast of capital Jakarta, ya, menyelam. So the meaning is sink, ya, menyelam. Ya, haulage and mengangkut, ya, the jet's flight data recorder, ya, to the surface on Tuesday. Ya, mengangkut black box, ya, black box to the surface. Surface is permukaan, ya, on Tuesday. So it was 2 days ago. Yeah, so the black box, yeah, had found 2 days ago, Mr. Iwan. Okay. So now, yeah, with the hunt, yeah, hunting, yeah, memburu, with the hunt now focus on finding its cockpit voice recorder on the wreckage littered seabed. Yeah, littered, the meaning is
Later,
littered, yes,
later seabed.
terpencar. Yeah, littered is terpencar. Ya, seabed, di dalam lautan yang gelap. Ya, dalam lautan yang dalam. Ya, seabed. Seabed, the meaning is the deep of the sea. This is seabed. Ya, the deep of the sea. Ya, literate, terpencar, and seabed is the deep of the sea. Okay, so now, yeah, they are focusing, yeah, for finding, yeah, its cockpit voice recorder, yeah, because the black box, yeah, had found already. Okay, so continue again, please, Mr. Ikhwan. Please read this paragraph, Mr. Ikhwan. The devices. This is the third paragraph. Hello, Mr. Ikhwan. Can you hear
Ya,
my
halo ya.
voice? Yes. Can you please read the
Oke,
third
oke.
paragraph? Yes.
The third paragraph ya.
Yes.
The device could supply critical clues as to why the Sriwijaya Air Boeing 737 500 planked about 10,000 feet or 3,000 meters in less than a minute before slamming into the Java Sea Saturday.
Yes. So, do you understand about this paragraph, Mr. Ikhwan?
Just a little, sir.
Yes. Yeah, actually the device, actually this cockpit voice recorder. Yeah, this is the device. Yeah, could
Oh yeah, of
supply.
course.
Yeah, could supply critical clues. Ya, petunjuk,
Plus,
petunjuk. Ya, clues is a petunjuk, ya, petunjuk, petunjuk.
plus petunjuk, ya.
Yes, critical bahaya.
Ya,
Ya, petunjuk, petunjuk
critical
bahaya.
petunjuk
Ya,
bahaya, iya.
ya.
S to
As
Y,
to why, ya, the
as to Y.
Sriwijaya, yes, as to
Iya.
why the Sriwijaya Air, Boeing,
Plank,
yes, 737-500 plants. Ya, plant is sink, tenggelam. Ya, plants the
iya.
meaning is tenggelam. About 10,000 feet or 3,000 meters.
Meters.
Yes, in less than a minute, kurang dari 1 menit before slamming into the Java Sea, sebelum terbanting ke dalam Laut Jawa on Saturday. Ya,
Plank about, ya. Ketinggian ya.
ya plunge is a tenggelam, plunge, tenggelam.
But,
Sorry. Oh yes, this is about plunge. Plunge also
ya,
can,
plank.
yeah,
Terjun,
ketinggian,
terjun.
terjun. Yes, plunge.
Ya,
Bilang or
terjun.
terjun. Yes, from the altitude 10,000 feet. Ya, dari ketinggian 10,000 feet. Ya, di altitude 10,000 feet. Ya, or 3,000 meters.
Feet.
Yes. Okay, this is 3,000 meters. Yeah. Okay, so do you understand actually, Mr. Ikhwan, about this paragraph?
Yes, I understand.
Okay, so I will read the next paragraph, and also Ayu, you can, yeah, scrutinizing Ayu Menyuma. Okay,
Okay,
the search continues today.
today.
Yeah, so this is was yesterday, Mr. Ikhwan. Yeah, because it was trending yesterday actually this news. Okay, and we are hoping for a good results. Yeah, Rasman,
Yeah.
yeah, head of the search and rescue agency crash operation, told reporters. Yeah, head of search and rescue agency crash operation in Indonesian is Basarnas. Yeah, Basarnas
Arnas
team.
ya.
Yes,
Search and rescue.
yes, search and rescue. Okay, so I will continue. Yeah, black box data, yeah, include the
Mm.
speeds, altitudes, and directions of the plane,
Yeah.
as well as flight crew conversation, and help explain nearly
Yeah.
90% of all crashes, according to aviation experts. Okay, so do you understand about this, Mr. Ikhwan, actually, about this paragraph?
Yes, yes. The black box it can explain
Yes,
the speed, ya.
yes.
Altitude. What's altitude, sir?
Altitude ketinggian.
Ketinggian ya, and
Yes,
direction, arah, direction ya.
yeah,
Of the plane as well as flight crew conversation.
excellent.
Ya, jadi ada apa rekaman percakapan ya,
Yes, rekaman percakapan.
and and has explained nearly 90%. Saya menjelaskan 90% dari kejadian.
Yes, dari kejadian or
Ya,
kecelakaan. Yes,
ya. According to aviation expert. Ya.
yeah.
Menurut para ahli penerbangan ya.
Yes, excellent. Okay, thank you, Mr. Ikhwan. Yeah, so I will continue again. Yeah, so you understood already. Okay, so far authorities have been unable to explain. Ya, sejauhnya ya, authorities is kewenangan-kewenangan. Ya,
Belum
or
bisa.
yes, any agency or institutions ya that they given ya diberikan kewenangan ya untuk menyampaikan ya authorities kewenangan
Otoritas.
otoritas ya have been unable to explain why the
Why?
26 year old plane crashed just 4 minutes after takeoff. Yeah, so the authorities still cannot explain, Mr. Ikhwan, yeah, why these aeroplanes yeah, that has the age yeah, 26 year, yeah, 26 tahun, yeah, 26 years old of the plane, yeah, crash just 4 minutes, yeah, jatuh hanya 4 menit yeah, after takeoff. Okay, so
Yes,
this
for
is
me.
still yeah like a mystery like that. Yeah. Okay,
Yes.
so yeah, so Ayu Ardila, please read this paragraph. Ayu Ardila.
Okay.
This
Black
is
box data.
this is
The
the
US,
yes
the U.S. National Transportation,
yes
which one? I'm
yes
sorry.
yes this is correct. The U.S.
Oh,
National Transportation.
the
Yes
U.S. Yeah, the U.S. National Transportation Safety Board and NTSB said it was sending investigators to Jakarta along with personnel from Boeing. They use Federal Aviation Administration (GA) Aviation, which makes jet engines and other plane parts.
yes okay. Thank you,
Mm.
Ayu. So
Yeah, you're
yeah
welcome.
yeah I wish you understand. Okay, Mr.
Thank
Ikhwan,
you.
can you explain about this paragraph, Mr. Ikhwan? The U.S. National Transportations.
Yes,
This
the
is
US National
yeah.
Transportation Safety is there same with KNKT ya, KNKT
Yes, KNKT. Yes,
Indonesia.
that's same.
In
Yeah.
Indonesia.
So yeah, in
Yes,
Indonesia it's KNKT. Okay.
yeah, they help us with sending investigator to Jakarta, ngirim
Yes.
investigator dengan with personal from Boeing, jadi
Yes.
dari pabriknya mungkin ya, pabriknya
Yes. Because
Boeing,
Sriwijaya, yeah, is Boeing actually. Yeah, that crash is
Boeing,
Boeing. Yes. Okay.
Boeing, yes. The U.S. Federal Aviation Administration, Federal Aviation Administration Amerika, and JA Aviation yang membuat mesin and other plane parts,
Yeah.
mesin dan bagian-bagian pesawat.
Yes, yang membuat mesin jet dan bagian-bagian pesawat. Yes,
Pesawat
excellent.
jet.
Okay, so you understood, Mr. Ikhwan. Yeah, this
Yes,
is NTSB IU. NTSB in Indonesian is KNKT. Ya, Badan Keselamatan Transportasi Nasional. Yeah,
nasional.
yes. Okay, so I will continue again. Okay, so Mr. Ikhwan, please read this paragraph until this, Mr. Ikhwan, until divers.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. The team has expertise in operation, human performance, airplane structures and systems, the NTSB tweet.
Yes.
More than 3,000 personnel are taking part in the recovery efforts, assisted by dozens of boats and helicopters flying over small islands of the capital coast and a remotely operated vehicle to assist the divers.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Ikhwan. Okay, so yeah, I will little bit to explain about this. Yeah, so the team has expertise. Yeah, we can read this,
Expert,
Mr. Ikhwan, expertise.
expertise,
Yeah,
expertise, yeah.
yes, expertise. Yeah,
Expert, yeah,
experts.
expertise.
Yeah, and ties. Yeah, if we read expertise, yeah, ties is tali or ikatan. Yeah,
Yeah,
ties like that. Yeah. So
yeah.
using C, yeah, expertise like this actually. Yeah. Okay.
Expertise, yeah.
Yes, expertise then expertise. Expertise like this. Expertise. Yeah, use C, and yeah,
Oh, yeah.
X.
What's the
expertise.
meaning? That
Ya, expertise keahlian. Yes.
expertise.
And expertise. Ya, expertise the meaning yang berhubungan dengan experts, yang berhubungan dengan ahli. Ya, ties is a tie. Sorry, ties like this.
Oh, yeah.
Ya,
Yes.
yang terikat, yang berhubungan. Tie. Sorry. Or yes, actually like this ya, ties. Ya, this is ya yang berhubungan. Or you can look on Google Translates later on, Mr. Ikhwan. Actually,
Okay.
yeah, it's different meaning ya between expertise and expertise. Ya, expertise is ahli, but expertise yang berhubungan, ya yang berhubungan dengan ahli like that. That's the meaning. Different actually. Yang terikat dengan ahli, expertise. Okay, so we can read this expertise. Okay, okay. So the team has expertise in operations, yeah. Human performance, yeah. Human performance. The meaning is ahli, yeah. Ahli dalam manusianya. Yeah.
Yeah. STM.
Airplanes, yeah. SDM. Oh yes, SDM. Yes, the human source, yeah. Sumber daya
Yeah.
manusia,
Human
yeah.
source.
Yeah, airplane structures and system. Yeah, the NTSB tweeted. Yeah, so tweeting, Twitter. Yeah, so tweeting on
Tweet.
Twitter. Yes, tweet. Okay, so this is yeah, more than 3,000 personnel are taking parts in the recovery efforts, assisted by
Effort.
dozens. Yeah, effort is
Effort.
usaha. Yeah, effort. Yeah,
Dozens.
usaha.
What's dozen?
Dozen belasan. Ya, dozen is
Oh,
a
boats.
belasan.
Boats
Ya,
and helicopter
ya, boats and helicopters flying over small island of the
of the
capital
capital.
coast. Ya,
What's the capital cost?
pesisir. Coast is a
Pesisir.
coastland. Ya, pesisir. Pesisir ibu kota. Ya,
Ibu
capital
kota. Oh,
coast.
yeah.
The meaning is pesisir ibu kota. Ya, ibu kota Jakarta. And a remotely operated vehicle. This is drone, yeah, vehicle,
Drone.
remotely operated vehicle, yes, drone, yeah, to assist the divers, ya, untuk menemani penyelam. So also has the drones, ya, to control the divers. Okay, so a lot of personnel actually, 3,000 personnel yeah, taking parts in the recovery efforts, ya,
Effort.
usaha pemulihan.
Perkuat.
Yeah, recovery. Okay, so continue a little bit. Yeah, this operation is not over yet. Yeah, so it hasn't finished yet. Indonesian
Not over.
military, yes, TNI, Chief Air Marshal Hadi Cahyanto said late Tuesday. Okay, we will keep searching for the victims and all the remaining parts of the fuselage. Fuselage is a bagian pesawat, Mr. Ikhwan.
Fuselage.
Yeah, you can,
Fuselage.
yes, fuselage, bagian pesawat. Yeah, this is, yeah, bagian pesawat, which we will try to retrieve. Yeah, retrieve is
Retrieve.
collect. Yeah, mengumpulkan, collecting. Yeah,
Collect.
retrieve. Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So this is also has misinformation. Okay, Mr. Ikhwan, please read this paragraph, Mr. Ikhwan. Three more
Okay.
victims. Yes, please.
Three more victims has been identified by matching fingerprints on file to body parts retrieved from the Marquis depth,
Yes, excellent.
authorities said Wednesday, including a 50 year 50 years old female passenger and 38 years old of duty pilot.
Yes, excellent. So has one participant submit chance.
Okay,
Okay, okay,
I
no
continue,
problem.
sir.
Yes. Okay, continue. Yeah.
The first victim, a flight attendant, were also identified through his fingerprint. Okay.
Yes. So do you understand, Mr. Ikhwan, about this paragraph?
Yes, on Wednesday, the
Yes.
authorities said on Wednesday that three more victims, lebih dari tiga
Yes.
korban yang telah diidentifikasi by matching fingerprints on file to body,
Yeah.
ya, apa sidik jari dengan barang,
Sidik jari. Yes. Excellent.
retrieved from the marquee depths. What's the marquee, sir?
Marki gelap, depths kedalaman. Gelapnya
Oh, marquee.
ya
Oh
gelap
iya, iya, iya.
kedalaman laut. Yes.
Marquee depths, ya, depths kedalaman. Ya.
Yes.
Authorities said, yeah, including 50 years old female passenger
Yes.
and 38 years old of duty pilot.
Yes.
What's
Excellent.
duty? What's duty pilot?
Duty
Captain, ya?
pilot is ya kapten. Ya,
Captain, ya?
ya pilot yang
Oh,
does already sorry flight ya terbang ya more than ya, already actually flew or
co-pilot, ya,
in the flight ya more than sorry yes co-pilots ya co-pilot more
co-pilot, ya.
than 10,000 hours ya about 10,000 hours 10.000 jam ya
10,000
so
hours.
this is duty
Oh,
pilots
yeah.
yes yeah
All of duty pilot.
yes okay so the first
The first
victim
victim of
yes
a flight attendant,
stewards and
pramugari, ya?
stewardess yeah flight attendant
Pramugari,
stewards and stewardess yes pramugari and pramugara yes
pramugari, ya.
okay
Okay.
okay so understood Mr. Ikhwan so continue yes I will read this paragraph. So there were 10 children among the passenger on the half full plane. Yeah, so in that plane also has 10 children, Mr. Ikhwan, yeah,
Yes.
which had experienced pilots at the control as it left Jakarta bound for Pontianak City on Borneo Island on a 90 minutes flight. Yes. So that plan also had experienced pilots, yeah, at the control. Yeah. So also had the pilots with the experience like that. And that plan, yeah, actually had the destination from Jakarta to Pontianak. Yeah. That's normally flying 90 minutes, yeah, from Jakarta to Pontianak for a normally
Pontianak.
flying 90 minutes. Yeah,
Iya,
but
iya, iya.
yes, that's aeroplanes. Yeah, only 4 minutes. Yeah, after takeoff, then lost contact.
Crash. Ya.
Yes, crash. Okay, so Mr. Ikhwan, please read this paragraph. Yeah, until
Scores,
yes, sorry. Yes, okay, please.
scores, scores, scores of body bag filled with human remains were being taken to a police morgue while forensic investigators hope to identify victims by matching fingerprint or DNA with relatives.
Okay, so do you understand about this paragraph, Mr. Ikhwan?
Score of body bag filled with human remains.
Score is sejumlah.
Sejumlah, ya,
Yes,
oke. Sejumlah body bag yang sudah disiapkan, ya.
yes.
What is a what's the meaning police morgue, morgue?
Polis morcu. Morcu, the meaning is kamar mayat.
Oh, never mind.
Yes,
Yes, where forensic investigator hope to identify victim. Yes, okay. The body bags,
yes.
sejumlah body bags sudah diisi,
Okay.
dilempatkan di kamar mayat
Kamar mayat polisi. Yes, okay.
polisi.
Ya, oke. Di mana
Oke,
investigator forensik ya
hope, ya.
berharap ya untuk mengidentifikasi korban-korban.
Identifikasi
Yes.
korban tersebut.
Yes, dengan mencocokkan fingerprint atau DNA
Oh,
kerabat
DNA
keluarganya. Ya, relatives is a
ya,
kerabat keluarga.
kerabatnya ya,
Ya, kerabat. Yes. Okay,
relatives. Oke.
relatives. Okay, so I will read little bits. Yeah. Okay. Authorities have so far said that the crew did not declare. Ya, so authorities ya sejauhnya ya said that the crew did not declare, tidak menyatakan, ya declare is menyatakan an emergency or report technical problem, ya, suatu bahaya atau laporan teknis, ya, laporan masalah teknis with the plane, ya, before its dive, and thus the 737 was likely intact when it hit the
The
water.
water.
Yeah, yeah. So yeah, and that's plan. Yeah, likely intact. Intact is keadaan utuh. Yeah, so it's not explodes in the air. Yeah, but dalam keadaan utuh hit the water, menghantam air. Ya, sepertinya ya likely ya, sepertinya intact dalam keadaan utuh. Intact the meaning is utuh. Ya, when it hit the
Ya.
water. Ya. Cheating mengutip ya, a relatively small area where the wreckage was scattered. Ya. Mengutip
Macet
dari mengutip dari small
hubungan
area relatif ya yang sebagian kecil ya area. Ya, where di mana the wreckage was scattered. Ya, the wreckage is the piece ya, pieces was scattered.
what is
Scattered is
scattered?
berhamburan.
Oh,
Berhamburan.
scattered.
Yes, scattered.
Berhamburan ya.
Yes,
Terhambur.
terhambur. Excellent,
Was
Mr.
scattered.
Ivan.
Was scattered.
Okay, so I will continue
The
again.
crash.
The crash
Ya.
props ya, pengungkapan kecelakaan atau jatuhnya.
Probe.
Yes, prop is mengungkapkan. Was likely to take months. Yes, nampaknya membutuhkan berbulan-bulan. But preliminary report was expected in 30 days. Tetapi preliminary sebelumnya, ya, laporan sebelumnya, ya, sebuah laporan sebelumnya telah diharapkan dalam 30 hari. Okay, Mr. Ikhwan, please read this
Ya.
paragraph, Mr. Ikhwan. Aviation analysis.
Aviation analyst said flight tracking data showed the plane sharply deviated from its intended course before it went into a steep dive. With bad weather, pilot errors, or mechanical failure among the potential factors.
Okay, so do you understand, Mr. Ikhwan, about this paragraph?
A little that
Yes.
analisis penerbangan mengatakan bahwa hasil
Yes.
penelusuran data menunjukkan bahwa ada
Sharply
flight
deviated. Yeah, deviated the meaning
tajam,
is sharply tajam, deviated menyimpang. Ya, tidak
penyimpangan
menyimpang dari tujuannya. Deviated menyimpang. Ya, menyimpang
from its intended
intended course. Ya, intended course the meaning tujuannya.
intended
Ya,
tujuannya
intended
ya.
yang diniatkan. Intended course the meaning
Oke.
is tujuannya. Ya.
Before into a steep dive ya.
Ya, steep
Steep
dive.
dive
Steep is a
tenggelam ya.
curang. Steep is a
Curang.
curang. Ya,
Iya,
steep
menukik.
curang dive tenggelam. Ya. Menukik. Yes, excellent.
Iya,
Menukik.
steep
Ya.
dive. With
With
bad weather, cuaca jelek,
yes,
pilot error, kesalahan pilot, or mechanical failure atau kegagalan gangguan mekanik
yes,
adalah di antara beberapa faktor
yes. Di antara beberapa faktor potensial.
ya
Ya.
potensial yes.
Okay, so thank you, Mr. Ikhwan. So I will explain this paragraph, yeah, the last paragraph. The accident has spawned it. Ya. Kejadiannya telah melahirkan. Spawned meaning is melahirkan. Some misinformation online. Beberapa misinformasi online. Ya, with a pair of pictures claiming that they saw a baby who survived the weekend crash. Ya, dengan sebuah gambar, ya, sebuah potongan gambar-gambar yang mengklaim ya bahwa mereka menunjukkan seorang bayi yang bertahan pada kecelakaan akhir pekan itu. Ya, so because it was Saturday, ya, so akhir pekan. The image actually saw an infant rescued. Ya. Gambar itu sebenarnya menunjukkan sebuah penyelamatan bayi. Ya, infant is a bayi from a fatal 2018 boat disaster. Ya, dari bencana kapal
2018.
yes sorry 2018 ya 2018. Oke.
Lion, Lion ya.
Yes. So actually, have you got the this news, Mr. Ikhwan? That's in that news. Sorry, on YouTube's yeah on YouTube had the news that the baby still survive in that crash. Actually, that's wrong. That's hoax. Actually, yeah, it's not.
Harusnya.
Yeah, it's not true. Yeah, actually, that was 2018 boat disaster. And that's a infant rescue, ya, penyelamatan bayi from a fatal 2018 boat disaster. Actually, that picture is
Bot ya,
hoax.
bot disaster.
And disaster is
Kapal,
bencana. Yes.
bot,
Yeah. Boat
bot,
disaster.
kapal,
Yes. Yeah. Kecelakaan kapal. Boats. Yes.
kapal.
Yeah. Boat
Iya, iya.
disasters. Yeah. If you got the news like that on YouTube or on Twitter or on Instagram,
Hoax,
so yeah, that's hoax. Yeah.
hoax ya.
Yeah. And those news hoax. Yeah, actually not true. Yeah.
Iya, iya, iya.
Yeah.
Now
Because
is
the
the
team.
hoax,
Yes.
hoax apa ya? Hoax
Ho-
century ya.
I'm sorry.
Now
Hoax.
it's zaman hoax. What's that zaman hoax, sir?
Hoax is berita bohong. Hoax. Like this.
Yes.
Berita
Yes.
bohong.
I
Yeah.
mean, now kan
The periods
many
of
hoax.
hoax. Yeah, the
Yeah, the
periods of
period of
hoax.
the
Yeah.
period of
Yeah.
yeah. Every day we read hot news.
Yeah. Hoax news almost every day. Yeah, almost every news
Al
they make virals. Yeah.
yeah,
So
almost every day.
yes. So the people can get the money, yeah, from that news. A lot
Yeah,
of
that's
money.
right.
I think that's
Yeah, that's right.
yeah, so we must be take care, Mr. Ikhwan, yeah, about this.
Yes, that's right. You
Yeah,
must selective, yeah,
selective, yes,
selecting,
selective.
selected
Okay,
for the news.
yes, for that news. Yes, actually, Mr. Ikhwan, I think this
Yeah,
information or this learning is enough. Yeah,
thank you,
so
sir.
thank you for joining learning this evening, Mr. Ikhwan. So I will see you again for the next meeting, Mr. Ikhwan. Yeah.
Okay, thank you very much, sir.
You're welcome. I wish you got the information. Yeah, you got the information from this news. Okay, so
Thank you.
have a nice evening, Mr. Ikhwan. Assalamualaikum. Good night.
Waalaikumsalam.
Yeah,
Good
bye.
night, sir.